I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. I am now conveying this message for entire mankind. This message I received from Allah, from God, from Paramatma, Supreme Souls, the house of the God. I am just a servant and conveying this message to the benefit of entire mankind. Today, the message was what is the truth and functions of the truth in seven beautiful worlds. This message came from the house of the God, and I am just convincing this message for benefit of entire mankind. We will see 12 points about truth, and we will see 12 points about function of the truth. First, the point of the truth is God is truth. Seven beautiful worlds are also truth. Nature is truth. Functions of nature are also truth. Souls are truth. Birth and death are truth. All religions, those are established by God, is truth. Messengers and their messages are truth. Those are sent by God. All religion books are truth. Games between negativities and positivities in the world are truth. Truth always wins and defeat untruth. It itself is truth. If people will follow real path of spirituality, real path which has been given by truth, God, this path of truth will help 100% sure people, those follow this path, will reach with lovely God, see God, meet God, talk with God, and get love of God, and get full knowledge from God, and get all powers from God, and become great spiritual messenger by the God, then qualify for services. Entire creation in seven beautiful world is also the truth. These are the points, 12 points regarding the meanings of the truth. Now we will see the functions of truth. Functions of truth are also 12 points. The truth creates path, systems, guidance with great sacrifice, remains permanent in the world. Truth have power to create seven beautiful worlds and more worlds when needed for benefit of all living beings in the seven beautiful worlds by God's as truth. Truth can create souls. Truth can gives all capacities, powers to nature unlimited forever. So nature can provides all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. Truth can creates, generate, operate, and destroy timely and systematically beautiful ways. All positive thoughts which are form of religions books remains permanent and can spread positivities in the seven beautiful worlds. 7 point is paths which are established by lovely messengers always help to reach with God. Eighth, many examinations, obstacles came during functions of this great truth. But truth can always success and pass these examinations. Truth, ninth point is truth never afraid by any authority, any powerful man, any governments or untruth and and their examinations. Truth always speak truth very soundly and perform humbly. Truth can never afraid. 10th point is God lives and love such truth people. Those are follow establish truth and teach truth to the people of the world. 11th point is truth always feel powers bravery in mind, body and soul of true people and stand to help such people in the world. Last and 12th point is functions of true people whom the God and his souls are equal to God, so that we must people and all mankind must try to be a model of God, lovely children of God, and qualify to convey this message for entire mankind. Let us learn and understand this message of the truth and functions of truth, and we must follow this truth and functions of truth. Then man can become a equal to God and become a lovely children of God. Then we can obtain all powerful knowledge, powerful systems and unique qualities from God. Today, just I am a servant of God. He has designated me as a mother of the world. So I am conveying this message as a mother of the world to entire mankind. This message is from God, house of God, and this is not came from my own mind. So I am just a servant of God. I am nothing more than. I am praying for entire mankind become a capability, become a capable to learn this message of truth and functions of truth. Be happy, be healthy, wealthy and happiness. This is my prayers to all mankind. These prayers came from core of my heart for benefit of entire mankind. Today I am obtaining your permission to live for other service. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.